All right, guys, so this is the interface of the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Pretty reminiscent of how it was before, very simple, the layout. I do like the new UI elements, although obviously we have been getting some of these updates already. There are more and more things at the top that you can add to it, even a quick button for taking a screenshot, your sound notifications, color correction, extra dim, color filter, color inversion. There's a lot more things that have been added to here, and performance profile is definitely one that we're going to take a look at. It's how to overclock your smartphone, so we will take a look at that one. All right, and then we also have the settings, so let's go over there. And here are the settings for you. And you know we got to do it. We have to put it in, modes and routines. So this is something new. Basically for modes and routines, you can actually put it in a specific mode. So when you go to a theater, it's going to set up very specific things. Dark places, I like this. Certain time period, place, app. So you can set it so when you're inside of a theater, it will automatically switch to this mode or a certain time period, very nice. Let's see, you also have routines, of course. Connected devices. Now I did have to switch it to dark mode just because, come on guys, you need to always go dark mode. It saves your battery life, and we are going to be going over those different things as well. Really nice though, I like routines and modes are definitely something new we have here. We have the status bar is now what they're calling it. That's kind of interesting for you. And yeah, let's see some advanced features if it has changed at all. So we have smart suggestion, screenshots and recording, video call effects, video brightness. Now video call effects were added recently, but it's nice that you can actually change the background image for you. Kind of have like a regular green screen built into the phone. Your video brightness, this is how you get true HDR. If you didn't know, it's a very hidden feature in the phone. But if you don't have this on, you're actually not getting HDR in all the apps you're watching. So you want to make sure to turn that on. Motions and gestures, pretty similar since before. Labs, this is something you always want to check out. So this looks to be the same thing as before, nothing too new there. Yes, we have the S Pen, we have the side key, all that kind of stuff. Same thing as before. Just a little bit of a different layout. I like that inserted logo right there at the top. But yeah, guys, looks very similar to before. The camera is going to be here as well. Let's see if we got any new modes. So we have Expert RAW at the top. We still have Pro Video and Pro. We have Food, which is always the best way to take a look at your food. Portrait Video, we'll see if that is a better quality this year. Plus, we have Director's View. That is something that I absolutely love, to have two kind of cameras on at the same time. Really good for that. And then we have, of course, Selfie Mode. You have that natural and warm right there at the top, depending on your skin tone. You might want to change it. And then how about more over here? Same kind of stuff. So overall, very similar things, but I am curious to see those little changes that we will be seeing over time. You have advanced picture options and advanced photo options. Auto frames per second, that's kind of interesting. Definitely I will kind of play around with that. High efficiency video in pro mode, high bit rate. You still have the zoom in microphone. Settings to keep. This is always really good if you want to have that always set exactly how you want it. I will definitely recommend some settings there when we get the phone, and some shooting modes. All right, guys, let me know what you guys think about the new interface. I am dying to hear your guys' thoughts.